Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has taken charge as Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. These are pictures, in fact, coming in of Mantri Hardeep Singh Puri taking charge as Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. He's returning essentially as the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. He was first, remember, appointed as Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas in the year 2021. Now, in the Prime Minister's second term, Puri had also held the position of Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs. This time around, he's been reappointed as the Minister of Petroleum, Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas in the third term under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. These are pictures of him taking charge. First day in the Mantralaya, Hardeep Singh Puri takes over. The last time around, there was in fact two portfolios allocated to Hardeep Singh Puri. This was also Housing and Urban Affairs, but this time around it's just one ministry, that of the Petroleum and Natural Gas. He's leading this ministry under Modi 3.0.
Ongoing interactive process. I think I would Sabha time. Hi, sir. Oh.
On your screen, pictures also of Suresh Gopi. He is in fact BJP's first Lok Sabha MP from Kerala, and he's been named Minister of State for Petroleum. Essentially, he's a junior minister under Hardeep Singh Puri. Pictures are of Hardeep Puri taking charge as the Mantri for Petroleum Gas. In fact, a dozen ministers today and more are taking charge, assuming their roles and taking over the first day of office in their respective mantralayas today. A sense of continuity, isn't it, Piyush? Hardeep Singh Puri was the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas even in the previous tenure.
Well, yes, he has reassumed his charge as the Minister of Petroleum, and he's right now in his office. He, along with Suresh Gopi, who yesterday had also, stoked a controversy where he had allegedly claimed that he would want BJP to relieve him, but later on he had also issued a clarification. Now we are seeing him along with Hardeep Puri taking charge there at Ministry of Petroleum. Not only Hardeep Puri, there are leaders like Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Nitin Gadkari, Ashwini Vaishnav, Home Minister Amit Shah, also External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. All of them are now taking charge today, and from today it's the beginning of a 100-day agenda of Modi government 3.0. Remember that yesterday PM Narendra Modi, when he had taken charge, the first thing he did was he signed on releasing the installments for farmers, and then later in the day we also saw the cabinet meeting taking place in which the Cabinet had decided to again allot around 3 crore houses for poor. So the work has begun. The 100-day agenda target, which was set by Narendra Modi, has now begun. Yesterday, PM Modi was here in action. From today, we will see all the ministers in action. At around 11 o'clock, Shivraj Singh Chauhan will also take charge as the Union Agriculture Minister. He, along with Bhagirath Chaudhary and other MOS leaders, will be taking charge. So today, it's going to be a very important day where all the ministers, almost all ministers will be taking charge. There are few who are not taking charge, like Jwal Oram. He is a Tribal Affairs Minister and a BJP MP from the state of Odisha. He is travelling to Odisha because of the government formation which has to take place. Today there is a meeting also which has been called in there by the BJP, and then we will see tomorrow the oath taking ceremony also of the BJP CM there in Odisha. Apart from this, the TDP MPs who have been made ministers and who have been given important portfolios like shipping and the civil aviation, even they will be taking charge after the oath-taking ceremony of TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu there in Andhra Pradesh. So there are BJP MPs, maximum of them are taking charge today, and then in a couple of days from now we will see other leaders also taking charge.